Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ife and I'm so glad to have you here. On today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how I sometimes make my fish stew, and today I'm going to be using the Pompano fish, and I hope you do enjoy it. Now, this flavorful sauce or stew is something that pairs beautifully with rice or pasta or any grain of your choice, and I'm pretty sure you'd want to try it out. As always, you'd find the full list of ingredients that I used in the description box below, so feel free to check it out. And if you have any comments or questions, please drop them in the comment section, as I'd love to hear from you. Thank you so much for stopping by, and I do hope you enjoyed the video. Keep watching.